So you're thinking about becoming a probate lawyer, or maybe you're just curious about what on earth that means. So either way, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to talk about what it takes to become a probate lawyer and what probate lawyers do. We're going to think about some of the complexities of becoming a probate lawyer and when it might be right for you. First things first then, what does a probate lawyer do? So a probate lawyer is involved in what happens after someone passes away. So when someone passes away, their assets, so that'll be things like their money, their property, or any sort of investments that they might have, they need to be passed on to their beneficiaries or their heirs or anything like that, people in their will. A probate lawyer helps that process to run smoothly. So they guide families through this process and they ensure that everything is done legally. So this might not always be the simplest of jobs. It can mean handling wills, it can mean dealing with inheritance disputes, which can involve all sorts of difficult family issues, and it can involve getting involved on complex estate issues with trusts and taxes. And if a person dies without a will, things can get even trickier. And that's where probate lawyers really step in to help everyone out. While this might not necessarily be the easiest of roles, it is certainly quite rewarding. So let's look at why you should consider probate law. So the first reason you should consider probate law is a stable and in-demand career. So one of the biggest reasons to think about it is stability. Unlike some areas of law that are affected by economic downturns, probate work is constant. People will always be passing away, unfortunately, and estates will always need to be settled. This means that the work is predictable throughout the year and it is a consistent line of work. With an ageing population and increasing wealth transfer, the demand for probate lawyers is ever growing. So if you're looking for job security, this is a really strong option. Another reason to consider probate law is that it is a really meaningful way to help people. Probate law allows you to genuinely help people during very difficult times. So losing a loved one is hard enough, and legal complications can make that even worse, especially if they then lead to things like family disputes that can tear families apart at a really difficult time. So as a probate lawyer, you guide families throughout these complex situations and you can make sure that they understand the process and get fair outcomes. So for many clients, you're not just their lawyer, you are their trusted advisor. You're someone who provides clarity when other things can feel very overwhelming and uncertain. So if you're someone who likes problem solving and working directly with people, this area of law can be incredibly rewarding. Another factor to consider is good earning potential. So probate law can be quite lucrative, especially if you're specialising in high net worth estates. Many probate lawyers charge by the hour and others take a percentage of the estate. So even if you're just starting out, the earning potential is very solid, and as you build experience, your fees and your reputation can grow significantly. Plus, if you combine probate work with estate planning, for example, and maybe work in conveyancing, then you can build really long-term relationships with clients who return for legal services over the years. So what kind of skills do you need to work in probate law? Well, the kind of person that might thrive in probate law might have strong attention to detail, they might have good communication skills, they might have a calm, reassuring presence, and they might really have a knack for solving legal and financial puzzles. If you have all of those things, then this could be a really great fit for you. So probate cases can be emotionally charged, especially when disputes arise over inheritances. So being able to handle these kinds of sensitive situations carefully can set you up in really good stead. So how do you qualify as a probate lawyer? There are a few different ways to go about qualifying as a probate lawyer. It's quite a flexible route into law. But one way that is very popular is to go through the CLC Level 4 and Level 6 diplomas. These are apprenticeships that you can use to qualify as a probate lawyer. So you would start with the CLC Level 4 probate diploma and then you would move on to the CLC Level 6 diploma. Once you're qualified, you can work in private practice, join a specialist law firm, or even start your own practice. So what are our final thoughts? Is probate law for you? At the end of the day, it's not for everyone, but if you're looking for a career that is stable, financially rewarding, and allows you to make a real difference in people's lives, it could be an excellent fit for you. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it really helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.